Every tablet starts as a powder, but turning that powder into a perfect, stable and effective pill, that's where granulation comes in, the most important step you've probably never heard of. Granulation is the process of transforming fine, dusty powder into solid, flowable granules. It's like turning sand into pebbles, making it easier to move, compress, and control. Without granulation, powders clump, separate, or don't flow at all. Granulation ensures better flow, consistent dosage, stronger tablets, and minimal dust in production. There are two main ways to granulate. Wet granulation, add a liquid binder to stick particles together, then dry them. Dry granulation, compress powders directly into ribbons or slugs. No water, no drying. Granulation is used in making immediate and sustained release tablets, capsules, sachets, even nutraceuticals and veterinary meds. Precision matters. Scientists use analytical tools to test granules for size, moisture, flowability, and API uniformity. Every batch is fine-tuned for consistency, safety, and compliance. Granulation is more than just a step. It's the science that holds every tablet together. From formulation to the final dose, it ensures every patient receives medicine that's safe, stable, and effective.